So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto this particular web page right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to know how exactly this part is coded over here in this Wikipedia page right here. In that case, what I can do is I can go around and utilize the inspect website code option. So to do that, you can right click, and over here below the page source, view page source, you can see that inspect is an option. And once I go around and do that, the inspect code actually opens up. And over here, if I were to go around over here on the right hand side, you can see that as I highlight around the codes, you can see that all of them is actually highlighted over here just like this. And as I go around and highlight, you can see that this is the paragraph code right here. And as I go around, you can see that you can see out the text right here and so forth. So let me just go around over here on the top and inspect this part out right here. So now let's just go around, and here you can see that it says Microsoft Edge span. I can actually go around over here and change this out. So if I were to go around over here, and instead of Microsoft, I'm just going to go around, just keep it as, then you can see that it just shows up as right here. But this is just for temporary show on your particular computer. The actual website stays intact, and you can do this with any website. So you can see that you can go around and highlight around codes over here just like this, and then see how everything is coded. So if you're a web developer, this is a very handy feature where you can go around and highlight and see like how they have been coded and inspect it and see how your code actually works as well. Over here on the bottom, you can see that you see the CSS codes over here just like this as well. Like you can go around and disable the flex scroll, you can change around the padding, the border right here, and disable out all of the CSS right here and see how everything works when you disable out different margins and everything else right here. It's like this. So that is what you have. So over here you can see that you can also see the paddings and everything else, like for the CSS codes right here, as you can see right here, and you can see the overall color and display block and so forth. And similarly, you can show the layouts, and you can even see the event listeners right here, just like this, for which events are there and so forth, as you can see. And these are the developer tools. On the top, you see the events, but you can also access out the console right here and different sources, as you can see right here, and even see what is happening in the network and see the performance level as well, just like this. So that is what you have, and you can go around over here and you can see that you can access out all of these tools right here, which is helpful for you as a developer. And that is how you can inspect website code and see how the code works and highlight particular code that you see inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.